Next is called Translate-O-Matic, quickly translate any text. Next is called Copic 2, completely free upgrade for our Copic legitimate customers. So it brings the ability to display the contact pictures everywhere on your iPhone. It's called Tab Blocker, able to block the opening of new tabs for specific websites. It's called Velvet, new way to customize your notifications. This is called Smart Bundle 2, to open tweet the combo to save and tune your battery. This is called Miru, animate your incoming notifications, pin them with badges, and adds precious features for iOS 13 and 14. This is called Checkra1n and allows you to switch between accounts for your applications. Checkra1n Lite is the same thing as Checkra1n Lite. Checkra1n Lite is the same thing as Checkra1n, it's just the light version, so this is for free. You can do one application at a time. If you want to do more, you have to buy Checkra1n, which is the full version. So yeah, pretty cool. Supports iOS 11 to 14.4. This is called Snapper 2. It allows you to have like a screenshot, have like flow on the screen, and you can do a lot of useful features with it. So you can actually right here. So you scan the QR code. You can zoom on the images, unzoom. You can just have it flow on the screen. You can copy the text that you have. So copying the text, it supports iOS 13 above. So you're not gonna have that feature unless on iOS 13 above for you copying that text. So yeah, really cool. You have all these features right here. And let's see, change back order of options. OCR is switched with QR again. So I guess I just switched the options of it, like the positions. Yeah, just the order of it. Mates prefer background processing option for OCR faster. This is called One Hand Wizard 2. It allows you to have a one hand. It's for iOS 13. So a lot of problem with the big phone is that you're a big phone and you have small hands like me. Then this is a perfect tweak because you can literally just have like your phone like that. So you see you have like the screen smaller for you, so you literally use one hand to move around all of the screen instead of having to use two hands just to tap on everywhere on the screen. So it's just more convenient for people who have small hands and have a big iPhone. This is called the Defiant by StemGrade. It's a YouTube++ alternative. You have more than 60 features to choose from with this tweak for YouTube, with iOS and iPadOS 11 to 14. This is called QQ Album Prison, and current iOS 14 makes QQ app stop requiring full access. This is called No Tie Block, block notifications to take control of your digital well-being. This is called Quit All, and it's one button to quit them all. So it clears all the apps from the switcher. This is called CC Noise Control, and requires CC support. It controls certain models to switch noise cancellation or transparency. This is called No Widget Labels. So No Widget Labels hides only labels of the widgets. This is called Widget Radius, makes old widgets match the new ones. This is called Reach Player. What this tweak does, now playing info and reachability window. Called Shake It Off, shake a device to toggle some actions. Supports iOS 13 to 14.3. Called Unlock for music, unlock the screen when music changes. Tested on iOS 14, should work on iOS 10 and up. This is called Unlock or Else, make your passcode pop up right away. Called Hijack, take control of your status bar. It's called Centered Labels, and centers all the titles of these cells in the settings page to give a modern look. It's called Settings Button, adds useful buttons to the navigation bar in the Settings app. Supports iOS 13 and 14. It's called Pop, Lock, and Drop It, and main purpose of this tweak was document how to use popovers for iOS Assistant hooks, which are all apps by tapping the status bar where it's in all apps and no settings to configure. No Switcher Cache, removes the cache of snapshots when using Grid Switcher. No Music Volume Knob, move the knob on the volume. It's called Magical Scroll Bars, and Magical add some spice to your scroll bars and bring them to life. This is called No Face ID Lock, remove the Face ID lock. This is called What to Suit 3 for WhatsApp, and it gives you features for WhatsApp, supports iOS 9 to 14. This is called Primal Folder 2, displays the folder as icon and launch actions for folders. This is called Speak Notification. So it's ultimate notification and more speak experience. You can allow your device to announce incoming notifications in a fully customized way. So you even listen to any receive messages, emails, Facebook posts, game center invitations, or even speak out your incoming calls without touching your device. This is called Quit All. I want you to quit them all. This is called Primal Folder 2. Displays the folder as icon and launch action for folders. This is called Dino Wall. She's called Dino Wall, an amazing wallpaper app with a plethora of features. Change video wallpapers, etc. Swipe to lock. Swipe up to lock your iPhone at 11, 12 for iOS 12 to 14. iErase localization, support localization of iErase tweets. This tree is called iWalk, powered with iOS 13 to 14. This tree is called CC noise control, test on iOS 12 and 14. Requires CC support, controls on the module to switch noise cancellation or transparency. It's called anti-tracker, alerts all tracking via Find My iPhone. Find My iPhone and Find Friend on all devices on all iOS versions. You can track when someone is trying to track you. It gives you a notification when someone's trying to track you. So if your mom's trying to track where you are, it's sending a notification. This is called Magma Evo, and redefine your control center. This is called Watch Mute Mirror. Ever leave your watch off silent at a bad time? Prefer use the ringer mode anymore. So you can actually, now your Apple Watch's silent mode can mirror your iPhone's mute switch. So you can literally mute your Apple Watch and mute your iPhone. Pretty cool. And the last tweak is called Jailbreak Evolution. And what this tweak does, it's a successor of the old tweak. It gives you all these features right here on your Springboard lock screen and an app. So you have access to all these features right here, guys. So yeah, you also get backdoor option, which allows you, if your device does freeze, you can also, respring it without having to lose, your jailbreak by restarting your phone. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.